Since the rudimentary form of modern headphone was invented in the kitchen in 1910, humanity's progress in acoustics has never ceased. In 1958, Koss introduced the world's first stereo headphones. Although the present-day Koss is nothing but a mess, its contribution to human acoustics is indelible, and through industrial production, significantly reduced production costs, making high-quality sound accessible beyond the privileged few. However, at the same time, across the ocean in Japan, Stack's engineer and founder considered using a different sound generation method, electrostatic, the delicate sound and crystal clear treble of electrostatic technology. At a time when material science was underdeveloped, were irreplaceable by traditional dynamic drivers. The diaphragm thickness in electrostatic units was often only a fraction of human hair, coated with a conductive liquid, allowing the entire surface to vibrate under the influence of an electrified mesh, significantly improving vibration suppression and reducing distortion to an unprecedented level. However, several issues have hindered the widespread adoption of electrostatic technology. Firstly, when exposed to moisture, the surface electrical properties of the diaphragm are dulled, leading to a decline in acoustic performance. Secondly, it requires a specific electrostatic amplifier to match, necessitating the mingling of sound information in voltages of over 1,000 volts. Both of these drawbacks came with a high cost and demands. Later, the ingenious American engineer James Winnie came up with the idea of printing circuit boards on the surface of a diaphragm. When an electric current flows through the circuit board and interacts with the magnets on both sides, could it simulate the principles of electrostatic sound production? In fact, they succeed. This is a planar magnetic driver. The early issue was planar technology were no fewer than those with electrostatics. Firstly, it had high impedance and was difficult to drive, and secondly, its bass performance was lacking. However, this did not hinder audiophiles' love for planar technology. With technological advancements, headphones with planar magnetic drivers can be powered by smartphones started appearing one after another, and the bass performance can now rival, if not surpass, that of traditional dynamic drivers. After discussing planar magnetic drivers, there is another technology widely used in IEM, known as a balanced armature driver. This type of driver is very small, originally developed for hearing aids. Looking at the frequency response of balanced armature, it's clear that their effective frequency range often doesn't cover the full 20 to 20 kHz range of human hearing. They're purely designed to compensate for specific unclear areas of sound for individuals with hearing loss. Subsequently, a company named Etymologic Research was the first to apply balanced armature to hi-fi headphones in 1991 with the iconic ER4 series that has stood the test of the time for 30 years. They showed the world that a single 29,689 balanced armature driver could not only achieve full frequency balance, but also exceptional clarity. While there may not be another single balanced armature driver as impressive as the ER4, there is a constant stream of flagship multi-balanced armature designed on the market. By parallel wiring multiple balanced armatures, the quality and density of sound produced are unmatched by typical dynamic drivers. After discussing the balanced armature drivers, let's talk about another sound production technology known as the aluminum ribbon driver. This method is somewhat similar to the sound produced by plucking a string. The main issue with aluminum ribbon driver currently is their very low impedance, making it challenging to smoothly integrate them into existing systems designed for dynamic drivers or planar amplifiers. Additionally, aluminum has relatively poor mechanical properties, leading to dulling over extended use. And its weight far exceeds that of typical dynamic drivers and planar diaphragms. Achieving a balanced sound performance with aluminum ribbon driver is difficult. Sound as a form of energy transmitted through the air is challenging to describe its beauty with words. Before experiencing high-quality headphones, I once thought that all headphones were more or less the same in terms of sound quality, but little did I know how captivating they could be, just like how one cannot imagine the color purple without seeing it. There are experiences that only through first-hand encounter can one truly appreciate their value.